This is warrior 3. So we're gonna start by doing this on our left leg. All right, so you can have your hands at heart center or you can put them on your hips, whichever one that you prefer is fine. And you're gonna go ahead and begin by lifting that right leg up off the ground. You wanna bring your hip to 90 degrees, knee is about 90, and your ankle is bent up. So you're bringing your toes up towards your nose. Your left knee is slightly bent. So just a nice soft knee in the left leg. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna start to hinge forward at the hips as we allow this leg to start to go backwards, keeping a soft left knee, and straighten out that right leg as much as you can, and we're holding it for 5 seconds, and then after 5 seconds we're going to come all the way back to our start position, 90, about 90, toes pointed up. And that is your warrior 3. For an extra challenge, do multiple repetitions of that and never put that right leg down on the ground. So for example, after you do your warrior 3 and you come back up, sometimes you can, if you need to, you can break in between, you can rest. And then for your second repetition, lift it back up, bring it back forward, rest. But for an extra challenge, try not to allow that right leg to be placed down on the ground at all. Okay, that is your warrior 3.